Nature Place. Let's go ahead and go inside and see all the trails and sights this place has to offer. The gopher tortoise numbers are in decline in Southwest Florida, but here in Bonita Nature Place, we have many active sites. Is very important. Here's actually a mural that middle schoolers have made. Bees are an important pollinator here at Bonita Nature Place, and here we have an interactive beehive. Make sure you make time to stroll through our butterfly garden. At the head of the trail underneath the kiosk that a local Eagle Scout made. Here we are at the Mount Bonita Stairs. In this direction, it will take you to the Pine Lake Preserve. Right this way will take you to Bonita Nature Place. Over this way is our kayak launch, and behind me it will take you to the Imperial River. Historically, water flowed through these creek beds. Trail will actually take us to the Imperial River. If you come in the wet season, you'll realize that the water levels are actually very different. There's actually a 9-foot water difference. Preserve. It is a Conservation 2020 property that's adjacent to the Bonita Nature Place. Here we are at Pine Lake Reserve, and behind me we see the ponds and marshes. We're in the dry season, where it would be the perfect time to see wading birds feeding in the water.